am a certified medical virtual assistant, social media marketing specialist, and content creator. And today, I'm going to teach you guys how to do a telephone encounter on Eclinicalworks. And if you're using the same EMR or AHR and you want to know how to do a telephone encounter, this is the best video for you. So I also want you to know that this video is a two-part video. The part one is I'm going to share with you guys a sample call. In that sample call, a patient will call the office requesting for a medication refill, and she also wants to know the status of her referral. So since this is a sample call, everything that you will hear is a fake conversation, but the request that you will hear is a typical request that you will receive if you are working in a medical office. And the part 2 of our video is me showing you guys how to do the telephone encounter on Eclinicalworks. So in our part 2, you will not see or hear any page I or patient information. So we will be using a test patient. And I will also blur some parts. So we will not break any HIPAA rule. Alright.
If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita.
And I also want to give a shout out to Miss Elaine Fajardo for lending her voice. She is our practice patient. It's her voice yung maririnig nyo sa sample call. So yeah, thank you, Elaine. In this call as well, I'm following the client's office protocol. So there's also additional instruction from the client na I can do when there's a specific question for a specific type of medication or a specific patient, something like that. I just want you to take note of that while listening to this sample call, right? Thank you for calling Dr. Tan's office. This is Yulie. How can I help you today?
Hi, Yulie. I'm calling because I need help with my medication, and I also need to know the status of my referral to Dr. Pardo, my cardiologist.
I can definitely help you with that. May I know who I'm speaking with, please?
This is Elaine Patenio, date of birth March 27, 1995.
Thank you, Elaine. Thank you for giving me your date of birth as well. Can you please spell your last name for me, please?
Patino.
Alright. Okay, let me repeat it for you. It's P as in Papa, A as in Alpha, T as in Tango, I as in India, N as in Nancy, O as in Oscar. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And the date of birth is March 27, 1995. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. I know you're going to ask for my date of birth. The medical office always asks for the date of birth.
Thank you so much. Very smart, Elaine. Thank you for taking the initiative as well. So I already pulled up your chart, and it seems like your last visit was last month. Is that correct?
Yes, if I'm not wrong, it was on February of 22, and I'm out of medication and I need my refill.
May I know what specific medication that we need to refill?
It's my lotion, Gold Bond. I'm almost out.
Alright. I see it here as well that you were given the prescription for Gold Bond, and it's for your dry skin. So this lotion is an over-the-counter lotion, and you can buy this without a prescription or preferred pharmacy.
I see. I did not know that. Do you know why this lotion is expensive if it's over the counter?
To be honest with you, I don't know as well, but I heard it depends on the specific pharmacy. If you're open to waiting, you can buy that lotion on Amazon. I use it on my end as well for my dry feet, and I always buy mine on Amazon. It's way cheaper.
Really? Thank you, Yulie. I never thought of that. I'll order it right away after this call.
Well, we all want to save, and finding a legit store online that sells this product at a lesser price is a huge help. Everything is expensive nowadays.
Tell me about it. Now we need to work extra hours for other bills.
Yeah, same here, Elaine. Well, I'm glad we've settled on that one. Now, with the status of your referral, I already sent a message to our referral department for an update on this referral. And on my end here, as I've checked, I see that it's still pending. But the date here was last week. Maybe they already have an update today. I will call you back once I receive an update from them.
Thank you so much, Yulie. You're an angel. What happened after I received my referral?
I'm happy I could help Elaine. I'm glad you asked that as well because I'm about to say that. So what will happen next is we will fax over the approved referral together with your recent labs to your cardiologist office. And once they receive it, they will call you back to set the appointment.
Thank you. Hopefully, I can get the update today.
I will call you back once I receive the update. Do you want me to call directly to your phone number or you want me to call directly to your home number?
Call me directly at my phone number,
Alright,
please.
I'll take note of that as well. Alright, is there anything else I can help you with today?
None. You're a great help. Thank you for answering all of my questions. You're so accommodating, Yulie.
Thank you, Elaine. Hope you have a great day today. Bye for now. So that's it, guys. As I've said earlier, that call is just a sample call, but that's the typical call that you will receive. And you're the one who manned the phone. And aside from receiving medication refill, the status of the referral, the callers or the patients who also want to reschedule, schedule. They also have questions about their medications and etc. You will also receive a call from your PCP's office, laboratory, pharmacy. So yeah, if you're aiming for a position for a medical receptionist or virtual receptionist in a medical office, and you want to know more about all of the calls that I receive and you want to hear more sample, just leave a comment below. So again, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.
Please do not forget to follow my other social media pages, and for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video, please leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.